Archie and I are really glad that you're here. This is a weekly nervous system reset, a place to slow down, to reconnect with ourselves, and just intentionally prepare for the week ahead. There's nothing to fix, nothing to perform, just being here counts. Over the last couple weeks, I have been talking about what I call is building your why and how having that strong identity is what makes change stick because motivation doesn't last, because discipline burns people out, but identity quietly changes behavior. This is about understanding why we do what we do and how to work with our nervous system instead of fighting it. Before we go any further, what I would like you to do is take a deep breath through your nose for 4 seconds and release it slowly out your mouth for 6 seconds and drop your shoulders. Ready? This lets your body know that it's safe and that you're here and that it is okay to start again. Most of us were taught if we just cared more about our kids, our jobs, our partners, that we would make changes. But that is just not how humans work. Your nervous system does not follow shoulds, it follows identity and safety. That's why people that want change so badly but still fall back into old patterns. Here's something important to understand that those habits a lot of people judge themselves for, they're just coping mechanisms. So, smoking, drinking, spending, overeating, undereating, doom scrolling, these were all behaviors that helped you survive. The problem wasn't that you were using them, is that we were never taught better tools. And that's when you change your identity, the behavior will follow. When I started this process, my why wasn't really dramatic. I just wanted to feel better. And I started with one small change, and that was just drinking more water, which then led to the next thing, the next thing, the next thing. Over time, that behavior led to forming the new identity of I am a healthy person. A healthy person moves differently, acts differently, commits and makes better choices for themselves. Eventually, that identity expanded to I am a soccer coach, I am an athlete, I am someone that's now moving into the healthcare field. Those identities have pulled me forward. This is how real change happens. So now I want to give you something practical. I use something called the OOPS method. And what that is an adaptation of dialectical behavioral therapy, DBT, but I simplified it so that you can use it in everyday life. When you slip up, just say, oops. It's simple as that. There's no spiraling, no self attack, just data. Then you can ask what happened. Whether you tired, overstimulated, in pain, emotionally stressed. This is how we identify triggers, not failures. Once you know the trigger, now you can choose a different response. So instead of lighting up, maybe go for a walk for 5 minutes. Instead of scrolling, maybe just change rooms. And instead of pushing through, then maybe it's time to take a pause and take a deep breath. Every new choice that you make leading to your new identity is a vote for that new identity. Now you can say, I am someone that pauses. Now I am someone that accepts support. I am someone that listens to my body. When you base change on who you're becoming and how you want to feel, it sticks. I share all these tools freely. This is a weekly space, and throughout the week, I share more tools on identity and regulation. But if you need more personalized support, I do offer one on ones whenever you're ready. I do share the link in my bio. I also just uploaded a free identity building worksheet also in my bio that you are welcome to use to help throughout this process. Now, I want you to do is go do something your future self will love, and I'll see you next week.